Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of Wix, covering its pros, cons, features, and more. And we will be discussing the pricing first. So with a Wix free plan, you can build and host a website using a Wix domain. It's ideal for personal use or to explore Wix tools. But it comes with a Wix branding and limited storage and bandwidth. This plan allows you to try out design tools, build your brand, and experiment with layouts. So I recommend that you get the paid plans right here. So if you are planning an e-commerce site, then I recommend that you at least get the core plan right here because this would let you accept payments and you would get basic e-commerce features. But if you are just putting out some articles or maybe a portfolio, then I think the light plan right here is already a great start for you. So you would have your free domain for a year. And it's pricing right here, so you can choose whatever suits your budget right here. Of course, the higher the better because you would get more features as you can see right here. So I recommend that you use the free plan of Wix first, and then from there test the waters and see if you would like to continue using Wix. If so, then you can try out their plans right here and choose the one that's best suits your budget. And now let's go to the pros and cons of Wix. So now for its pros, number one would be its ease of use. So it has intuitive drag and drop builder and templates for quick setup. So as you can see right here, all I have to do is just drag this page, for example. So I'm just gonna drag this right here and it would now load that. As you can see, you have now successfully added that to your website. As simple as that. And then the next thing is its range of features. So it has advanced design options, app integrations, e-commerce, and many more features that it can offer you with just a click of the button right here. You don't need any of the complicated stuffs like coding knowledge. And lastly is its flexibility. So it has customizable plans to fit a variety of needs from personal to business, as you may have already observed in the plans earlier. And now for its cons is its pricing. It can get pricey at higher tiers, but it's very worth it, especially if you're a beginner because you don't have to worry about all the complicated stuff. It would be very easy and convenient for you to build a website here in Wix. And for its limited customization on lower plans, so some design features are restricted in free and lower tier plans. So here in Wix, you wouldn't be able to do advanced editing here in your website, but you don't have to worry about that if you're just a beginner because you wouldn't be able to do that anyways if you don't have enough knowledge in building a website. So Wix would be very perfect if you are a beginner. And now for the conclusion. So Wix offers robust plans and tools to help you create a stunning website, whether for personal, business, or enterprise needs. This is especially good for you if you are a beginner because all you have to do is drag and drop what you would want to put into your website and then it would be there automatically. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.